The Congress party on Saturday asked for a police case to be registered against Lok Sabha member Tejasvi Surya and his uncle BJP MLA Ravi Subramanya for allegedly seeking commission for arranging COVID-19 vaccines at a private hospital in Karnataka after a couple of audio clips went viral. Congress also demanded a suo motu FIR against the BJP MLA for taking commission for vaccines. In one such audio, a social worker named Venkatesh is heard questioning why each dose of vaccine was priced at Rs 900 when a voice from the other side, purported to be of a staff member of private hospital located in South Bengaluru, says that the hospital had to pay Rs 700 to Basavanagudi MLA Ravi Subramanya, who arranged the vaccines for them. Surya has been promoting the vaccination drive at a private hospital situated in Kumaraswamy layout. However, MLA Subramanya denied allegations that surfaced against him, terming them baseless and as part of a political conspiracy against him. Certain miscreants have used my name in an allegation about COVID vaccine charges through an audio recording. It is a shame that these miscreants have indulged in such transgression when the world is working towards a common good to help each other during the pandemic. The couple who have colluded should be chastened so that the public is not misguided with a false claim, he said in a series of tweets. The MLA also visited the private hospital where he was seen visibly upset as he lashed out at the staff for bringing him a bad name. Later, he told reporters that he was only working with the local municipal body BBMP to vaccinate frontline workers in his constituency. I will file a criminal case against the person who falsely claimed I was supplying vaccines, he said. Later, Venkatesh shared a written complaint with the media stating the vested interest is evident in the advertisement given by Tejasvi Surya promoting the drive at the hospital. Citing the purported audio clip, he mentioned wherein the hospital representative mentions that the vaccine can be procured from the office of the MLA of Girinagar, Mr. Ravi Subramanya, and from Vasavi Hospital. The advertisement of Tejasvi Surya also showcases the name of Vasavi Hospital. Accusing Surya and his MLA uncle of profiteering from the vaccination drive, many Congress leaders targeted the Saffron Party. Congress worker Srivatsa from Karnataka said Tejasvi Surya's uncle BJP MLA Ravi Subramanya caught in vaccine commission scam. Audio tape leaked of him allegedly taking commission of Rs 700 per dose from a hospital. Tejasvi had announced tie-up with private hospital charging Rs 900 to people. Srivatsa further added, private hospital is clearly telling that they have to pay Tejasvi Surya's MLA uncle Rs 700 per dose as bribe and they can't reduce the rates. Looks like the vaccine stock has been diverted from BBMP's free vaccine stock to the private hospital.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.